Zeely AI app full review plus tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zeely AI, whether it's worth trying. Zeely AI is a mobile-first app that helps small businesses and creators instantly build websites, ads, and marketing assets with AI. You input basic info about your business and it generates a clean, mobile-ready landing page, brand visuals, and ad copy optimized for Instagram and TikTok. What makes Zeely stand out is its hyper focus on speed. You don't need design skills, hosting, or even a laptop. It's built for smartphones, allowing you to create and launch a simple, polished brand presence in under 10 minutes. This makes it ideal for solopreneurs, influencers, or side hustlers on the go. You also get access to marketing suggestions, real time performance tracking, and an ad budget calculator. However, it's best for beginners if you need complex features like email automation, SEO tools, or full e commerce integration. Zeely is too lightweight. Overall, Zeely shines when you want fast, mobile first execution. If you're launching something simple and need a professional front fast, it delivers. So, to get started with how you can use or access Zeely AI, all you have to do is to log in if you already have an account, or to just click on Get Started and start filling out the forms that they're going to need to get you signed up. And that's how you use Zeely AI and decide if it's worth trying.